Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. So finally, the Honda City is back. After 10 long days in the service center, it's finally back and I've got time to, make an update video on the issues we had. Our Verna is right there and the Honda City. Okay, so things didn't go as planned. They didn't work out, बहुत ट्राई किया from the service center to get the issues rectified. They knew the issues, but then they didn't knew how to go about them in order to solve them out, So they accepted, उन्होंने accept किया कि जो आप बोल रहे हो, like that sound from the front left of the suspension, जो एक feel आता है, it's not a sound, it's like when you're driving you feel it that something is moving there on the front left. So basically गड्ढों में, like on bad roads, you feel that something is moving on the front left. So I reported that and उनको भी वही feel हुआ, like the service center guys also felt that हाँ कुछ तो है, मतलब something is moving. And it was there in the other cars as well. Like मैंने आपको पहले भी शेयर किया था कि मैंने दूसरी कार्स भी ड्राइव करके देखी एंड ब्रांड न्यू होंडा सिटी एक थी, वो भी ड्राइव करके देखी, उसमें भी आई कुड फील द सेम थिंग. बट देन नाउ दे से दैट दिस इज़ हाउ द कार इज़ मेड एंड दिस कैन नॉट बी रेक्टिफाइड. अंदर चलते हैं, फिर बात करते हैं. वील टॉक ऑन द वे. ओके, so things have sorted as well, some of the issues which I reported, like जो rattling sounds थे from inside the cabin, like from here, यहाँ light cabin जो है ये इसके पास से, and then from there from left tweeter, these things have solved. अभी तो मुझे rattling sound नहीं लग रहा है इसमें, so I think they have worked on it. I don't know what they did, but they said कि उन्होंने इसको थोड़ा सा टाइट किया है, so अभी मुझे उससे कुछ प्रॉब्लम नहीं हो रहा है, like previously which I reported, so that thing is sorted. बट देन जो लेफ़्ट सस्पेंशन का था, फ्रंट लेफ़्ट, अब वो सस्पेंशन में प्रॉब्लम थी या किस में थी, आई डोंट नो. वो एज इट इज़ अभी भी है एंड दे ट्राइड रिप्लेसिंग सो मेनी पार्ट्स, दे टोल्ड मी दैट दे रिप्लेस्ड दी फ्रंट लेफ्ट डैम्पर असेंबली पूरी रिप्लेस करके देखी, नई डाल के देखी, बट देन टू दे डिडंट फील दैट it solved the problem. They were feeling the same vibration kind of thing, something moving on the front left on these bad roads. तो वो चीज़ तो थी. So I said okay, ठीक है, अभी you tried your best, but then it seems to be a problem in the car itself, and maybe the car is built this way, maybe the suspension is built this way, that I encountered it, but some people also encountered it with me, like in the comment section I saw, but then few of you said that you don't have any problems, you don't feel that, so it's okay. I think the car is built that way, the suspension. So from now on maybe I'll try to ignore that, whatever it is. I still feel it, but ठीक है, अभी कुछ नहीं हो सकता है तो फिर nothing is in my hand, right? So I tried my level best to give the car to service center, ask them to work on it. They said they tried their best as well, but then the service lead, he said that he also realizes the problem, but then it cannot be solved, it is something which is built in. Suspension ऐसा build ही हुआ है, so ठीक है, अभी let's just ignore that for now. Otherwise, just leaving that one problem behind, the car is great. I have done how many? See, around about 7,400 kilometers. If this is visible in the video, 7,400 kilometers. Second free service भी हो गई है, and I wasn't charged anything for it. Like एक भी रुपया मुझसे नहीं लिया है second service में भी. And 6,000 something, 5,000 के बाद आई थिंक सेकेंड सर्विस होती है. बट देन बिकॉज आई हैड इशूज़, आई टोल्ड देम कि जब आपके पार्ट्स आपने जो ऑर्डर किए हैं वो आ जाए तब आई गिव माई कार, तो साथ ही साथ दोनों काम हो जाएंगे. सो उसमें भी बहुत टाइम लगा, बहुत डिले हुआ. दैट्स वाई द वीडियोज़ वर नॉट कमिंग ऑन टू द चैनल. एंड देन I was also a bit occupied with my official works, and then some family concerns as well. So let's just try to, abhi we'll try ki we'll again keep posting on YouTube, and there's a new car coming soon into the family, like someone very close is buying it, and we will cover that car fully. Like जैसे हमने Honda City and Verna cover की है, वैसे ही we'll cover that car as well. So guess करिए कौन सी कार होगी. It's a segment which I personally don't like that much. So the next video will be on taking delivery of that car. So just stay connected with the channel, and next video will be coming out in just 2 days time from now. Stay connected, and it will be a very, very good video. And after that we'll be covering full review of that car, owner's review. Like we'll start from the first day, first feel, and then finally we'll go deep into the reviews, into the customer satisfaction, into how I feel about the car after driving it for 500 kilometers, 1000 kilometers. Everything will cover in that car as well. Honda City भाई, इसका ना एक चीज़ बहुत ही ज़्यादा पॉजिटिव रिव्यू है इसका, सस्पेंशन का. मतलब जैसे आपको बम्स वगैरह फील नहीं होते इसमें. तो वो जो मतलब फील है जब आप ख़राब रोड्स पे जाते हो, या आपके फैमिली मेम्बर्स हैं पीछे या आगे बैठे हुए हैं, तो उनकी तरफ से मुझे हमेशा रिव्यू मिलता है कि वर्ना में दे फील द बम्स अ बिट, बट देन इन द होंडा सिटी दे जस्ट फील अ लॉट मोर कंफर्टेबल. सो take that review from me now, okay? Otherwise the car is doing great. I'm pretty much impressed with the car, the driving dynamics, and each and everything, like the features as well. We've already discussed in so many videos about the Honda City and the new Verna as well. So stay connected, wait for that video. It will be coming out live in a couple of days, and then we'll talk about that car as well. Thank you. सब्सक्राइब नहीं किया है तो प्लीज़ सब्सक्राइब टू द चैनल. चेक आउट माई अदर वीडियोज़ रिलेटेड टू होंडा सिटी एंड वर्ना, एंड कीप शेयरिंग लव. थैंक यू. बाय बाय.